Crispy outside, soft inside. Perfect homemade falafel. Take a soaked chickpeas, garlic, green chili, chop onions, lemon juice, black pepper, salt, fresh coriander powder, cumin powder. Pulse everything into a coarse mixture. Don't make it too smooth. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and refrigerate for 30 minutes. This helps the falafel hold its shape while frying. Now shapes into a small patties. I was little nervous because this is my first time to make falafel. But sometimes trying something new leads to a most delicious surprise. Fry in hot oil over a medium heat until they are crispy golden brown and perfectly cooked inside. Serve hot with creamy hummus and soft pita bread. It looks so delicious.